Phrase 1. Sign someone up for something. Meaning. To record the agreement of someone, including oneself, to participate in something. Example. Can you sign up Liz for the party? Has anyone signed you up for the office picnic? Phrase 2. Have fun. Meaning. To experience enjoyment. Example. Please forget your problems and have fun. Phrase 3. Get to the top of something. Meaning. 1. Lit. To get to the highest point of something. Example. She got to the top of her field in a very short time. We finally got to the top of the mountain and planted the flag. It takes hard work to get to the top. Phrase 4. Clear something for publication. Meaning. To approve the release of something so it can be published. Example. The government refused to clear the story for publication. I want to clear this for publication as soon as possible. Phrase 5. Clothes make the man. Meaning. People will judge you according to the way you dress. Example. Jim was always careful about how he dressed. He believed that clothes make the man. Phrase 6. Frighten someone or something away. Meaning. To scare someone or something off. Example. The high prices frightened the shoppers off. The noise frightened the burglar away. Something frightened away the prowlers. Phrase 7. A big send-off. Meaning. A happy celebration before departing. Example. I had a wonderful send-off before I left. John got a fine send-off as he left for Europe. Phrase 8. Wrap someone or something around something. Meaning. To bend or coil someone or something around something. Example. Don wrapped the rope around the tree and tied it tight. I'll wrap you around that lamppost unless you cooperate. Phrase 9. Hell-bent for leather. Meaning. Moving or behaving recklessly. Riding a horse fast and recklessly. Example. They took off after the horse thief, riding hell-bent for leather. Here comes the boss. She's not just angry, she's hell-bent for leather. Phrase 10. Put words into someone's mouth. Meaning. To interpret what someone said so that the words mean what you want and not what the speaker wanted. Example. Stop putting words in my mouth. I didn't say that. You are putting words into my mouth.